There's a quiet tremor that runs beneath modern life, the feeling that you're always running slightly behind your own pace. The racing mind, the shallow breath, the restless nights that blur into anxious mornings. We call it stress, overthinking, burnout. But often, it's deeper than that. It's chemical, it's physical. It's what happens when your body's language of nourishment stops matching your mind's need for calm. Because anxiety doesn't start in your head, it begins in your gut, in what you feed it, how you digest it, and how your body translates food into emotion. We tend to think of food as fuel, calories in, energy out. But food is also information. Every bite you take sends a message to your brain through hormones, neurotransmitters, and the gut-brain axis. A two-way highway that connects emotion and digestion. This means that your daily anxiety might not just be a mental pattern, it might be a biological echo of imbalance. When your body is inflamed, your gut irritated, or your blood sugar unstable, your nervous system reads that chaos as danger. It doesn't matter if there's no lion in the room, your body reacts as if there is. Let's start with the gut, your second brain. Inside you lives an entire world, trillions of bacteria, yeast, and microbes forming the microbiome. They help digest food, synthesize vitamins, and even produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, the chemicals responsible for calm and contentment. In fact, nearly 90% of serotonin is made in your gut, not your brain. But when your diet is high in processed foods, sugar, or refined oils, that delicate balance of bacteria shifts. Harmful microbes multiply, inflammation rises, the gut lining weakens, and then toxins, undigested particles, and stress signals leak into your bloodstream. Your immune system senses attack, cortisol spikes, your nervous system tenses, and anxiety follows. It's not weakness, it's wiring. Sugar is one of the main culprits, not just for your body, but for your mood. It gives a high, then a hard crash. Every time your blood sugar spikes and plummets, your body experiences a stress response. You feel jittery, irritable, lightheaded, all symptoms that mimic anxiety. And because the brain feeds almost exclusively on glucose, these swings confuse your mind, making calm focus nearly impossible. When you replace refined sugar with complex carbs, oats, quinoa, fruits, and vegetables, you create stability. Your brain thrives on balance, not drama. Caffeine is another double-edged sword. In small doses, it sharpens alertness. In excess, it magnifies anxiety. It raises cortisol and adrenaline, hormones that prepare your body for fight or flight. But if you're already under daily stress, that cup of coffee can turn alertness into overdrive. Your heart races, your hands shake, your breath shortens, and suddenly you're inside the storm you were trying to outrun. Switching to green tea, matcha, or herbal infusions gives you gentle energy. L-theanine, a compound in tea, actually promotes relaxation and focus without the crash. The goal isn't to remove pleasure, it's to replace stimulation with steadiness. Then comes the invisible influence of inflammation. When your body is inflamed, your brain follows. The connection is intimate. Inflammatory molecules can cross the blood-brain barrier, affecting mood-regulating regions. Diets high in fried foods, processed meats, refined carbs, and trans fats fuel that fire. But omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and flaxseed, do the opposite. They cool inflammation, nourish cell membranes, and help neurotransmitters move more efficiently. Think of inflammation as static. It distorts the signal between your gut and your brain. Omega-3s clear that signal. The calmer the gut, the clearer the mind. And then there's magnesium, the mineral your nervous system prays for. It's nature's tranquilizer, quietly calming muscles, regulating heartbeat, and moderating the stress response. Yet modern diets strip it away. Processed grains, low vegetable intake, and chronic stress deplete it daily. Without magnesium, your body can't properly turn off adrenaline. It's like trying to sleep with the lights on. Leafy greens, almonds, avocado, dark chocolate. These are more than foods. They're messages of safety to your nervous system. Every bite tells your body, you can relax now. But not all anxiety comes from deficiency. Sometimes it comes from overload. Too much refined salt, artificial additives, or alcohol overstimulate the adrenal glands. These organs sit atop your kidneys, managing stress hormones like cortisol. When they're constantly activated, your baseline anxiety rises. You live in a near-permanent fight-or-flight mode. Over time, you stop noticing it until one day your body crashes in exhaustion. That's why healing anxiety isn't just about meditation or mindset. It's about removing the triggers that keep your biology alarmed. Let's talk about the timing of food too, because your nervous system loves rhythm. Skipping meals or eating irregularly throws your blood sugar off, leading to irritability, brain fog, and panic-like sensations. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day, with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, keeps your energy steady. You feel grounded, predictable, safe. That sense of safety isn't psychological, it's physiological. Your nervous system thrives on stability. Now let's go deeper into the chemistry of calm. Your body makes serotonin from tryptophan, an amino acid found in turkey, eggs, seeds, and legumes. It makes dopamine and norepinephrine from tyrosine, found in almonds, bananas, and beans. These neurotransmitters regulate mood, motivation, and joy. When your diet lacks these raw materials, your emotions lack texture. You feel dull or anxious, not because life got worse, but because your brain literally doesn't have the ingredients for balance. Then there's your gut's direct line to emotion, the vagus nerve. It's a long, wandering nerve that connects your brainstem to your heart, lungs, and digestive organs. It's the highway where calm travels. When you eat heavy, inflammatory foods or eat too quickly, you weaken this nerve's tone. But when you chew slowly, breathe deeply, and eat foods rich in probiotics and fiber, you strengthen it. The stronger your vagus tone, the faster your body recovers from stress. You can literally train calm into your biology, not through force, but through food and breath. Now imagine this. You start your morning with a balanced breakfast, warm oats with banana and walnuts, sprinkled with cinnamon. Lunch is a colorful bowl of quinoa, greens, avocado, and grilled salmon. Dinner, a vegetable soup with lentils and a slice of dark chocolate afterward. No deprivation, no extremes, just real food, eaten mindfully. After a few days, your energy evens out. You don't reach for sugar to survive the afternoon. Your sleep deepens. The noise in your head softens. That's not magic. That's chemistry aligning with peace. But healing anxiety through food isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. Some days you'll still crave comfort. Some days you'll eat emotionally. That's human. The goal isn't to eliminate emotion from eating. It's to make emotion and eating allies, not enemies. Because food can ground you when nothing else can. It can remind your body of safety when your mind forgets how. And perhaps most importantly, water. Dehydration alone can mimic anxiety symptoms. Rapid heartbeat, dizziness, tension, even panic. When you're low on fluids, blood thickens. Your body works harder to circulate oxygen, and your brain interprets that strain as danger. Hydration then becomes not just a health tip, but an act of emotional regulation. Sip water slowly through the day. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint if you like, not just for taste, but for ritual. Every sip, a reminder, calm flows. Over time, as your gut heals and your hormones stabilize, you'll notice something subtle yet profound. Your mind stops rushing ahead of you. You respond instead of react. You breathe instead of brace. You stop feeling like you're walking through life in a storm. That's not luck. That's alignment, body and mind finally speaking the same language. Because food is energy, but it's also emotion. It can make you anxious or anchor you in peace. When you choose whole, colorful, living foods, you're choosing clarity. You're telling your cells, your nerves, your brain, we're safe, we can rest, we can feel. And maybe that's the real secret. Anxiety isn't something to fight, it's something to understand. It's your body asking for balance, whispering for gentler fuel, craving connection more than control. So the next time anxiety rises, before you label it as weakness, pause. Ask yourself, what did I feed my body today? What did I withhold? What did I rush? Because sometimes the cure isn't in your thoughts, it's in your next meal. Eat slowly, eat kindly, eat peace. And remember, calm begins not in your mind, but in your plate. Stay nourished, stay steady. This is Vital Dynasty.